Hi, I'm Richard Hammond, and this is our brand new DriveTribe exhibition at the Haynes Museum in Somerset. Basically what it is our digital selves made real, brought into the world. We've got our whole history here in the foyer, the team. And then in here, well, my garages are pretty much empty because this is a rolling collection of cars that you will be familiar with. My Buick Riviera boat tail, an Aston Martin that I totally ruined, a certain familiar little yellow Opel Kadett that I'm missing. Oh, project cars, MX-5, Mike's project. Yes, he got a V10 engine block in it, but only in that sense. Over here, my ridiculous Chevrolet SSR. These cars will change, but as long as they're in here, it's interactive. You have the opportunity to vote on which is your favorite by simply pulling the lever. Yeah, there can be only one winner for me. Come in here and place your vote. Hope you enjoyed the exhibition. We're absolutely thrilled with it.